Hey everyone! If you want to create a similar video, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. We will be using Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for generating images and turning them into stunning videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, head over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can create it for free. After creating an account, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here, you can see a variety of pre-generated images. While these are great, today I will show you how to create your own unique images and turn them into cool videos. To do this, we will start with image generation. Just click on Image Generation, and this page will come up. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens per day, which is more than enough. If you have a prompt idea, that's great. If not, no problem, we can generate one. Click on Prompt Generation. Think about the type of video you want to create and the keywords that describe it. For example, I want to make a natural aesthetic video that's peaceful. I will enter keywords like beautiful nature, aesthetic vibe, peaceful, flower, and garden. Then I will click on the Ideate button to generate prompts. As you can see, the prompts are generated. Choose the prompt that best fits your vision. I will go with this one. Copy the prompt. You can generate images directly by clicking on this Generate button. Click on this drop-down menu, and you can edit this prompt. Copy the prompt, paste it into the image generation box, and select your image generation model. I will choose the Leonardo Lightning XL. Now, I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical video. Remember, each generation uses coins, so manage them wisely. Click Generate to create your images, then come to the Generation History tab. As you can see, our images are being generated. Once the images are ready, pick the best 3 for your project. Click on Generate Motion Video, and then generate a motion video for each one. After generating your motion videos, download them in MP4 format. Now it's time for some editing. I use CapCut, but you can use any video editing software you prefer. Create a new project, import your videos, and arrange them in sequence. Add background audio. I'll choose a natural sound to complement the visuals. Cut some extra parts to make it more engaging. Next, make some adjustments. Increase brightness and highlights, sharpen the image, add clarity, and adjust the saturation. Apply effects like I applied lens glow here, but be careful not to overdo it. Finally, export the video. To enhance the video quality further, use CapCut's Video Upscaler. Open your browser and search for CapCut Video Upscaler. Open the first website, upload your video. Let it process, and then download the high-quality version. Let's have a look. A pretty good result, I think. You have created a beautiful, natural aesthetic video from scratch. You can use this method for any niche you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.